Hey guys, welcome to a new segment of lecture. So in this segment we are going to do some exercise. All right. So we're going to find truth table given a statement. So just a reminder, a statement or a proposition. A statement or a proposition is a statement of fact where this is going to be evaluated to either true or false. We can have a compound statement by using some elementary statement and some operator. Here we are using and or operator and using negation operator. So let's find out the truth table for the following statement. We have P and Q, so we are going to actually consider all the combination of P and Q. So this is a comparatively complex statement, so we are going to need much more column. So first we are going to consider all the combination of P and Q. So P can be true, and with true Q can be true or false. So when P is false, Q can be true or false. So these are all the combination we are going to need. Now step by step let's find out the truth table for the whole statement. Alright, so we have to calculate P or negation of Q. So let's find out negation of Q. So it will be false, true, false, true. Now we're going to find out P or negation of Q. All right. So true, false, true, 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 true. This will be false only. This will be true. Now then let's find out P or Q. So P or Q, so true, true. Now let's find out negation of P or Q. Alright, so it will be false, 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 true. Alright, now we are going to find out, we have all the components, truth table of all the components. Now we are going to find out the final truth table, final result. So okay, so this is the implication, and here we are going to use this segment implies this segment. All right, so if this segment is true, it has to be true. All right, so here we found this segment is true implies this segment is true, so we found it true. Here this is true and this is false, it will be false. All right, so here we found this is true and this is false, so false. This is false and false, so we do not know what will happen if the first segment is false, so this will be true. Okay, all right, so if we have a compound statement, this is just a way we can just we are going to find out the truth table for each of the segments separately, then we are going to find out the truth table of the whole compound statement. So here we are going to see another example. In this example we have we are going to find out the truth table where the elementary statement we have P, Q and R. Okay, so here we are going to need much more row and also much more column, because we have actually we have three statement, elementary statement, P, Q and R. So let's find out how this is going to look like. So P, Q and R, we're going to consider all the combination with P, Q and R. So if P true, Q true, R can be true and false. So P true, Q false, R can be true and false. So P false, Q true, R can be true and false. So with FF false false, it can be true and false. So with PQR we have 3 elementary statement. That means we can have this 8 combination with PQ and R. All right. All right, now step by step we are going to actually solve each of them. So let's find out P or Q. So P or Q will be true, 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 only false for these two. All right, not P. So not P. All right, not P and R. So find out not P and R. So true and false, false. This will be true. All right, then let's find out Q or R. So Q or R, it will be sorry, I'm doing the or. So true, 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 false, it will be true. It will be true. False, false, it will be false. All right, so now we have these components these two components. Now we are going to do the implication. All right, so we're going to do this implication here. So I'm not going to actually write down the whole statement here, it is going to take space. So here we know that if this segment is true, it has to be true. So let's find out. This segment is true here, it's true. This segment is true here, it's true. For all other segment, if it's false, it has to be it doesn't matter what is this segment. So for all other, here I'm actually I did something wrong here. It should I'm doing actually and here. Okay, so I'm going to make it correct. So Q and R, it is true, false, false, false. this is true, false, false, and false. So I'm doing the AND operation here. Okay, so this segment, if this segment is true, this segment should be true. So here I found this is true, this is true, this will be true. Okay, and this is true, this is false, this should be false. Okay, and for every other part, if the first segment is false, it doesn't matter what is the second segment for implication, so they all will be true. Okay, so we found here we have only the one combination is false. Okay, all right, we have actually all separate truth table for separate segment. Now we're going to do the double implication. So for the double implication, we know that the double implication means true true is true, and false false is true. For every other combination it will be false. For example, true false is false and false true is false. Okay, so we are doing the statement for the whole statement. So here we have P or Q, and here we have the second segment. So we can see this true true, true true, true true, true true, and we have here false false. So true, false, and true, it will be only false. So for all the combination we are going to find true, and here we are going to find false. Okay, all right, so that's how so that's just two examples how we're going to find truth table for a compound statement.